Olympic Games, 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 Olympic Games. Hi, my name is Sabina. Welcome to the Olympic Games in the San Agustin School. Right now we are watching the hockey match. The speed that they extinguish, we connect with our ball.
Yes, here we are in the hockey match. Do you like trainings?
Yes, I like. She's very good and very strong.
And now we are interviewing the bear trainer. Do you think that's the bear winner?
Yes, I like this, I think, because it's a very strong and heavy member. Typical for the Iberian Peninsula.
Thanks. Start the game.
Come on, bear, come on, Lynx, 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 come on, bear. Yes.
Do you come with this game?
Yes, I got no problem.
Welcome.
I have the winner.
Okay, win this game too.
Okay.
Start the next game.
Yes, I am the winner.
The winners are the bear and the lynx.
Yes, the two animals win the game. Yes, the bear and the lynx are equal. They are very important. See you in the next Olympic Games.